Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to remove Shopify branding from your transactional emails, allowing you to fully customize the look of your emails to match your brand. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to Settings Notifications. This is where you can manage all your transactional emails. Scroll down to the email template you want to edit, such as the order confirmation or shipping notification. Shopify includes default branding in the email templates, but you can remove it by editing the HTML of each template. Start by clicking on the Edit button next to the email template you want to modify. You'll see the code for the email displayed, which includes Shopify's default logo and branding text. To remove the branding, locate the section of the code where the logo and text appear. This could be an image tag, pointing to Shopify's logo or some text referencing Shopify. Delete these sections from the HTML code. If you want to replace the logo with your own, you can upload your custom logo to Shopify, grab the image URL, and replace the Shopify logo's URL with yours. After editing, be sure to save your changes. You can also use the preview button to see how the email will look without the Shopify branding before sending it. Keep in mind that if you're using any third-party apps to manage your emails, they may have their own settings for branding removal, so check those settings as well. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.